Hello everyone, this is Katy from Hangzhou LIEBTY Machinery. Today let's check out this reliable housework LIUGONG CLG920F Excavator. If you are searching for 20-ton excavator for construction, earthwork and tunnel projects, don't skip this video. Its operating weight reaches 21,000 kilograms. Standard bucket capacity 0.93 cubic meters. Perfect for medium to heavy-duty excavation type. Equipped with replaceable bucket attachments, it efficiently handles soil, gravel, rock, construction waste, and road backfilling works. Its output 129 kilowatts rated power with outstanding fuel economy, upgraded electronical controlled positive flow hydraulic system shortens